Hello everybody. Today my team will be presenting regarding NextGen tech migration to cloud platform. For the scenario, we have a small medium scale deployment with 40 virtual machine, 10 database and multiple web application. And for our goal is to monitor performance and usage, track and control cloud costs and ensure reliability and scalability. The tool we have chosen is Amazon CloudWatch. So why CloudWatch? It have native monitoring services for AWS environment, scales well for small to medium deployment, integrates easily with EC2, RDS and load balancer, and applications. It also provides both performance monitoring and cost visibility.
Service tier or addition, service tier standard Amazon CloudWatch. Suitable for small medium business include basic and detailed monitoring, custom metric, dashboard and alarm, not upfront commitment request, can start more and expand as users grow. Pricing model, pay as you go. Charge based on number of metric monitor, log ingester and install, dashboard and alarm use. Free tier. Invest in AI driver tool, automation and data analytics for optimize campaign. Reserve instantiation. Skip log. Reserve instantiation indirect impact. CloudWatch help analyze long-term usage pattern. Usage data support decision to purchase research intention for EC2 and RDS.
Next one is monitoring metrics. So this slide show the key system metric that Amazon CloudWatch can monitor for the next gen tech. So what is it? This slide measure how much the processing power the visual machine are using. Example inside the slide, we have like average use are 38%. Peak CPU use is during business hour, normally 9 until 12, around 82%, and the lowest is overnight when when the business hour is closed, normally like 12%. Uh, so why this graph is matter is because we can see a high CPU during work hour, and it show the active user usage. So we can prepare uh, any problem, so we can fix any problem, prepare and see what we did mistake and see when the usage is used normally. Next one, we can also see when the low CPU is used during night, which it will also show which ideal resource will pop up. Uh, cost optimizing instead can be scaled down during at night, and hope decided whether to use the auto scaling or the reverse instance. On metric to network traffic, as example in the example data, we can see their measure data that sent and received by the system. Example we have inside the network traffic, we'll have inbound traffics around 120 GB, while outbound traffics is around 95 GB a day. This is because high traffic equal to high user active. That means if there's so many user active, the network traffic will go high. It also this graph can also help us detect the traffic spike if there are any traffic network spike, or the possible security or performance issue while the user is active. It help us to plan bandwidth usage and avoid paying any unnecessary network resource. This meter help next gen tech performance monitor perform these metrics help next gen tech monitoring performance understand the usage of the pattern and can optimize the cloud cost effectivity. On the next slide, we have sample of data graph. So this slide show example of graph from Amazon CloudWatch, which this is visual, which CloudWatch that visual the system performance. So in the slide, we can see the CPU utilization graph, which show the CPU use over 24 hours. Inside the slide, we can see the high usage during a business hour is around 9 until 5 p.m. and low usage during a night hour. Uh, this help to identify the peak hour and ideal hour of which the use of the CPU usage, active user, and the ideal period of time. The next one we have on the network traffic graph, we can see in there the traffic increase when the user access the system. So when the user access the system, the traffic spike up, and it can help us to with the capacity planning and detect which the abnormal spike will happen. Uh, all of this spike match the customer activity pattern. Slide we justify and cost optimization. Amazon CloudWatch is suitable for the next gen tech because it meet the monitoring need and support optimize. In as example, in the meeting monitoring needs, we can see a real time monitoring of EC2 database and application. The next one we can see centralized dashboard, which it apply everything in one place. That's why it's very important. Uh, Alarm notification IT is when the CPU is too high. When the CPU is very high, it will send alert to the IT team so we can prevent any other bigger issue from happening. It did not just send for the CPU, it also sent for the network traffic spike. So if the network traffic is spiking, the IT team will instantly get the chart, will get everything, and they can immediately try to find and solve the problem. It can prevent downtime and performance issue from any happening. Cost awareness and optimization, which can we can identify the ideal or unused resource. Uh, this also can support right sizing instancy and decided when the reserve instancy. Historic data can help us control a long term of cloud spending. Can basically we can optimize our cost spending and prevent any harm from happening before it happened. Uh, Overall, Amazon CloudWatch provides a balanced solution for performance monitoring and cost managing. To summarize, it can use reliably for system, pay as you go, so and it's very cost effective. Scale as a new gen tech grows. Amazon CloudWatch is an ideal monitoring tool for a small scale cloud deployment like new gen tech. That's all from us.